Hi, I'm Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal, and we specialize in paintless dent repair. This 2018 Dodge Challenger has a deep door ding with a high crown that we will be repairing today with the paintless dent repair process. Let's go ahead and get started. If you could hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends and let them know the great benefits of paintless dent removal. Another flawless repair like it was never there. If you had damages that were similar to this, you're probably looking at about 1 or 2 hours of repair time. Angelo Dent Removal would like to thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like to know more about paintless dent repair, feel free to leave us a comment in the comment section down below.